Quad monitor stands revolutionize workspace efficiency and ergonomics, effortlessly transforming any desk into a command center for productivity and multitasking. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 quad monitor stands available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best quad monitor stands. The 5th product on this list is the Vivo STAND-V104F. Are you looking for a stable and adjustable multi-monitor setup? Then this is a great choice for your workstation setup. This 13 to 32-inch LED LCD computer monitor, heavy-duty freestanding mount, is an innovative quad monitor stand designed to enhance any multi-display workstation. This sturdy and adjustable mount can hold up to 4 monitors sized 13 to 32 inches, providing the ideal display configuration for workspaces that require a lot of screen real estate. Also, its solid steel construction and weighted base deliver stability and durability. Moreover, its fully adjustable arms offer a complete range of motion, enabling users to position each monitor independently for maximum ergonomic comfort. It weighs approximately 33 pounds. Its arms, fully extended, retract, tilt, swivel, and rotate to arrange your monitors in the ideal arrangement and viewing angles. Its solid steel construction maintains alignment even with frequent adjustments. All in all, this high-quality heavy-duty mount is perfect for multi-monitor power users. Its pros are: its sturdy steel construction provides stability and supports heavy monitors. It has height adjustment options that allow monitors to be raised or lowered as needed, and it holds up to 4 monitors, which is great for multi-display productivity. However, it doesn't offer USB or power connections like some competing mounts. The Vivo STAND-V104F stand allows effortless repositioning of your monitors for ergonomic comfort and productivity. Up next in 4th place is the MOUNTUP MU3007. Do you want to own a quad monitor stand to neatly organize them by mounting them on a single frame? Then check this quad monitor stand. This gets your monitors off the surface of your desk and suspends them in the air, freeing up valuable desk space. It allows you to arrange your monitors in various configurations, such as stacked or aligned side by side. Also, you can customize your monitor setup for your specific needs and preferences. There's more. It enables ergonomics by allowing you to position the monitors at an ideal height and angle to reduce neck and eye strain. These high-quality monitor stands are sturdy and provide full adjustability with features like tilt, swivel, and height adjustments. Its arms can extend up to 19.7 inches from the central post. For those looking to maximize desktop space with multiple monitors, this is for you. Its pros are: it's made from premium steel materials and can support up to 17.6 pounds per arm. It has an open architecture design and detachable VESA plates, and it saves a ton of space on your desk compared to individual monitor stands. However, it needs a screwdriver to attach the mounting arms and tweak any tightness or tension adjustments over time. The MOUNTUP MU3007 is ideal for boosting productivity with multi-display setups and freeing up desk space at home offices or workstations. Still haven't found a quad monitor stand that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Stand Steady 4-monitor mount. Get ready to stand out and keep your workspace organized. These multi-monitor setups allow for efficient multitasking, comparison of documents or data, and the ability to keep peripheral apps easily accessible. This heavy-duty monitor stand can hold up to 4 monitors, size 17 to 32 inches. Its sturdy clamp base and VESA compatibility provide most flat-panel monitors with versatile and stable mounting options. Additionally, its adjustable monitor stand delivers durability, flexibility, and streamlined cable management for your multi-monitor workstation. It is designed for heavy-duty use and is built with high-quality material that can support up to 30 pounds per arm. It has undergone rigorous testing to ensure stability and durability, even with constant adjustments. Its ball joint connections allow for 360-degree rotation and tilt and swivel adjustments. It makes it simple to get your monitors positioned just right, with smooth, precise adjustments and excellent stability even after prolonged use. Overall, this monitor boosts productivity for office use, trading, gaming, graphic design, and any multi-monitor application. Its pros are: its built-in cable clips help keep cords organized. It adds a high-end look to any workstation, and it can support multiple monitors and keeps them securely in place. However, it's time-consuming to assemble. The Stand Steady 4 monitor mount is an excellent option for anyone looking to maximize desk space and productivity with a multi-monitor setup. The second product on this list is the HUANUO Quad Monitor Stand. Do you regularly use multiple screens for work or play? Then a multi-monitor stand is an essential accessory that can boost your productivity and comfort. This quality stand can easily configure 2, 3, or even 4 monitors in an ergonomic setup that reduces neck strain and eye fatigue. This multi-monitor stand elevates your displays, suspends them over the work surface, and gives you back precious desk space for reference materials or note-taking. Also, it allows for full articulation of each arm and mount, enabling you to position screens at eye level and angle them toward your line of sight. Moreover, the flexibility and consolidated footprint create a clean, professional workspace accommodating various screen sizes. Its arm provides a wide range of motion, and the sturdy build offers reliable performance. If you've been trying to use multiple screens on a desk with no stand or jury-rigging some kind of DIY solution, seriously, it's time to look at a purpose-built multi-monitor stand. Its pros are: its arms can extend up to 19.7 inches to allow positioning monitors side by side or stacked. It has integrated cable management that helps keep wires and cables neat and tidy, and it has a sturdy steel construction that provides stability and safety. However, its clamp attachment to the desk only lacks grommet or through-hole mounting. The HUANUO Quad Monitor Stand is a high-quality option for creating a multi-monitor setup with flexible adjustment capabilities. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top quad monitor stand is the StarTech.com ARMQUADSS. Are you working from home or at the office and aiming to skyrocket your efficiency? Elevate your workspace with this sleek quad monitor stand, designed to maximize your productivity while keeping your desk clutter-free. This top-tier multi-monitor stand, crafted to support up to 4 displays, features an articulating arm system that allows you to position your monitors in the most ergonomic setup possible, significantly reducing eye and neck strain. What's more, its arms boast full articulating motion, including height adjustability up to 15.7 inches along the pole, ensuring you can find the perfect position for each monitor. With its robust build and wide adjustability range, it's equipped to support various monitor sizes and configurations, offering unparalleled ergonomic flexibility for any multi-display setup. Additionally, its weighted base ensures rock-solid stability, complete with non-slip grips to eliminate any risk of sliding or tipping. Whether you prefer your monitors in landscape or portrait orientation, this stand adjusts to meet your ideal viewing angles flawlessly. It stands out not only for its flexible arrangement and easy adjustment options, but also for its commitment to maintaining stability and security, even when supporting multiple large monitors. With its high-end design and construction, this stand is a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their productivity and workspace organization. Its pros are: its stable construction can reliably hold up to 4 monitors weighing up to 17.6 pounds each. It has a wide range of motion with adjustable height, tilt, swivel, and rotation for ergonomic positioning. Its arm mounts provide flexibility to position monitors side by side or stacked, and it has both a clamp and a grommet base options for mounting to a desk. However, leveling the monitors can be a little challenging to accomplish initially. The StarTech.com ARMQUADSS is well suited for a variety of users who can benefit from the ability to set up multiple monitors with a flexible range of motion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.